Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into DJI Osmo Mobile SE Gimbal, a smartphone gimbal designed for aspiring videographers and content creators on the go. We will be exploring everything this little powerhouse has to offer, from its sleek design and portability to its intelligent features and filming capabilities. This review will help you decide if the Osmo Mobile SE is the right fit for your needs. Let's start with a quick unboxing. The Osmo Mobile SE arrives in a compact box with the gimbal itself, a charging cable, a carrying pouch, and a user manual, and some other extra things are there. The gimbal itself is surprisingly light in weight and feels very comfortable to hold in one hand. The weight of the gimbal without adding a mobile phone is less than 400 grams. The build quality feels super solid and the finish gives it a premium look. One of the biggest selling points of the Osmo Mobile SE is its portability. It folds down into an incredibly compact, makes it easy to slip into your backpack or purse. This makes it perfect for travel, vlogging on the go, or capturing everyday moments. Setting up the Osmo Mobile SE is a breeze. Simply download the DJI Memo app, connect your phone via Bluetooth, and you are good to go. The app provides a user-friendly interface for controlling the gimbal, adjusting settings, and exploring various shooting methods. If you want to know more about this app features, I already posted a video about this. Check out the link in the description box. Now let's talk about the features. The Osmo Mobile SE is a 3-axis motorized gimbal that keeps your phone perfectly stabilized, eliminating shaky footage. This is a game changer for capturing smooth cinematic videos even while you are on the move. This gimbal also comes with a bunch of intelligent features like active tracking, which lets you lock onto a subject and the gimbal will automatically follow it. This is fantastic for filming yourself while walking, running, or even dancing. Plus, the Osmo Mobile SE has built-in buttons for recording, capturing photos, and switching between filming modes. Also, I shared how to control the gimbal as well as the buttons and everything in another video detailing. That video is like a beginner's guide to use this gimbal. Check out the description box for more details. I used this gimbal for a couple of days now. The Osmo Mobile SE comes with a built-in battery that offers up to 24 hours of runtime on a single charge. Is it true? It's not. If you use it continuously, you will get more than 6 hours of battery backup. Even this is more than enough for a day's worth of shooting, and you can easily recharge it by using the included USB cable. This one comes with a Type-C slot to charge. During the charging, the battery icon blinks, and if in case it stops blinking means then it is fully charged. Also, I checked whether it can charge a mobile that is mounted on the gimbal, which is supported for Type-C slot. But the answer is no, it can't. So make sure you have sufficient charging in your mobile before recording with the help of this gimbal. But you can charge this gimbal while using it with the help of a power bank. There is no problem with that. So there are no interruptions or worries about the gimbal battery backup. Coming to the charging time, it takes in between 2 hours to 2 hours 15 minutes to charge completely from 0 to 100%. This one comes with a 2600 mAh battery capacity. Also, the ideal operating temperature is in between 0 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade. If in case it exceeds these values, the gimbal turn off automatically. The DJI Memo app unlocks the full potential of the Osmo Mobile SE. It offers a variety of filming modes including time-lapse, hyperlapse, and slow motion, allowing you to capture creative and engaging content. The app also lets you adjust various camera settings like white balance, camera exposure, and ISO. Here are some samples and shots taken with the help of this gimbal. This is the video of gimbal footage shooting in 4K 30 fps. You can observe how it handles during walking and also panning, tilting, rotating, and zooming. And note that the video quality depends on the type of mobile you are using. The movements are smooth and controlled with this gimbal. These are the videos side by side comparing with and without gimbal. You can judge how the stabilization is here. The left side footage is from the gimbal and the right side is without the gimbal. Again, the video stabilization also differs from mobile to mobile, but with the help of gimbal, it's the same. Also, you can record vertical or horizontal videos with this gimbal. This type of video is useful for shorts or Instagram reels. Even the zooming is also so smooth. You can control the zoom speed in the DJI Mimo app. I already did a video about that. These are the two videos side by side comparing with and without gimbal in vertical position. The left side footage is with the help of gimbal and the right side is without that. You can observe how it handles while moving sides, walking and as well as zooming. The response time of the buttons and everything is perfectly good, and also you can change the speed of these buttons response time in the app, which is quite good. I don't know why, but there is no 60 fps video recording option is there if I record through the DJI Mimo app, even in 1080p also. But my mobile supports 60 fps in both 4K and 1080p. Right now, I too don't know whether the Apple mobiles have this option or not, because I don't have any Apple mobile to test it out. If in case you are having Apple mobile, just let me know in the comments so that people who are watching this video will know whether it is good for Apple products or not. Even they introduced this gimbal with the help of Apple devices in the trailer also, so I'm thinking for Apple devices 60 fps recording option will be there. In the app, you get a lot of options to control this gimbal. I highly recommend you to watch the other video where I talked totally about the app settings as well as the gimbal controls. Even I tested this gimbal after connecting to my mobile with the default camera app. Yes, it works. You can use it without having any problem, but you miss those extra options where you will only get in the DJI Mimo app, like the object tracking, face tracking and some other things. Also, a small display is provided on the gimbal where it shows the battery icon followed by whether the gimbal is connected to the Bluetooth or not and which mode you are currently in. Apart from the battery icon, remaining all are good in this display. Why? Because the battery icon only shows three colors: red, green and some yellowish tint color. If the given dotted light indicators instead of this, it's so nice, like at least four, like we can calculate each light will be like 25% battery left. They can provide like on the grip area, so that's a strong suggestion from my side. If in case DJ watching this video, in next upcoming devices try to at least add this. Even you can add in the display also like four dots, it's so nice instead of this battery icon. Even I checked the battery percentage in the DJI app, but there is no such option is there to show how much battery percentage is left. Only it shows the battery icon. From that we need to estimate how much it is, like whether it is 50% or 90 or 100%. Come to the grip, it is only on the front side, which is quite good for holding this gimbal for longer period of time. Even for the bottom small tripod, they provided the grip on each leg, which is so good. Come to the mobile holder, it is a magnetic lock type one. Trust me, the lock is too strong. Also, they were given a warning that be careful and not to place the fingers in between while mounting this. The DJI Osmo SE is an excellent choice for anyone who want to capture high quality stabilized videos with their smartphone. Even when you are a vlogger or a social media enthusiast, or a short film maker, a traveler, or simply someone who wants to elevate your home videos, this gimbal is a great investment. This DJI Osmo Mobile SE is priced in between 8,000 to 9,000 rupees. It fluctuates and changes during the offers time. If you are looking for the best budget gimbal under 10,000 rupees, this is the one you need to take for like close to 8,000 or 9,000 rupees. Before concluding about this gimbal, here are some cons that I noticed during my usage. I think I shared all the good things about this gimbal, so let's talk about the bad things. Number one is there is no 60 fps video recording option is there for Android smartphone as per my knowledge. I'm thinking for iOS the 60 fps option will be there. Number two, the battery indication is not quite good. I struggle a lot to figure out how much battery percentage is left in this gimbal if you are not connected to the mobile phone. Number three, there is no slot to charge your mobile phone with this gimbal. It helps during the emergency conditions to charge the mobile. Number four, object tracking is not good, and if you move fast, the tracking will be lost. And finally, number 5, there is no IP rating is there, because we use these type of gimbals most of the time in outdoor conditions. So at least a basic IP rating is needed for these type of gimbals. The main problem arises when a lot of dust is accumulated in the motor. If it is under warranty, you can repair it. Otherwise, it is like a piece of tech that goes into a trash can. So, time to wrap it up. The DJI Osmo Mobile SE is a fantastic smartphone gimbal that punches well above its weight. It's compact, easy to use, and packed with features that will help you take your videography skills to the next level. Whether you are a seasoned creator or just starting out, the Osmo Mobile SE is a worthy companion for capturing all special moments with cinematic flair. If I want to recommend one best gimbal under 10,000 rupees with great features, this is the one I pick 100% sure. That's the review of this gimbal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this and also subscribe this channel for more tech reviews and tips. Also, let us know in the comments below whether what kind of feature you like the most in this gimbal and the feature you want badly in this one. See you again in the next one. Until then, these are the related videos to the gimbals. Click and watch if you want a gimbal other than this DJI.